What happens when a woman applies castor oil every day? Let's find out what it may help with, what's exaggerated online, and the smartest way to use it safely. Castor oil comes from the seeds of the castor plant. It is unique because it contains a rare fatty acid called ricinoleic acid. Think of ricinoleic acid as a moisture-locking shield. Most oils sit lightly on the skin, but castor oil is thick and sticky, almost like a protective blanket. 1. Your skin may feel deeply moisturized. One of the first things many women notice is softer, less dry skin. Your skin naturally loses water throughout the day. This is called transepidermal water loss. Think of your skin like a sponge sitting in the sun. Without protection, moisture slowly evaporates. Castor oil forms a barrier over the skin that helps trap moisture inside. This can make dry eyebrows, cracked heels, rough knees, and flaky patches feel smoother over time. This is especially noticeable in cold weather, dry climates, and after frequent washing. But here's something important. Castor oil does not actually add water to your skin. It mainly helps prevent moisture from escaping. That's why it often works best when applied after bathing or slightly on damp skin. It is like sealing water inside the skin before it disappears. 2. Your hair may look shinier and less dry. Castor oil is extremely popular for hair care. When applied regularly on the scalp or hair strands, many women notice shinier hair, reduced dryness, smoother texture, and less breakage. This is because hairs are covered with tiny overlapping layers called the cuticles. When hair becomes dry or damaged, these layers lift up. Imagine roof shingles lifting during a storm. Moisture escapes easily. Castor oil coats the air shaft and smoothes the outer layer. This creates more shine, less friction, and better moisture retention. The air may also appear thicker because oil coats each strand. Now let's clear up a huge myth. There is currently limited strong scientific evidence reporting castor oil directly causes dramatic hair growth. What it can do is improve the environment around the hair, like reducing dryness, lowering breakage, and protecting fragile strands. So the hair may appear fuller and healthier over time. 3. Your scalp may feel less dry. A dry scalp can feel tight, itchy, and irritated. Castor oil's thick texture helps reduce moisture loss. Some research also suggests ricinoleic acid may have mild anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. This means it may help calm minor irritation in some people. Think of an irritated scalp like dry soil cracking under the sun. Castor oil acts almost like mulch over soil, helping the surface retain moisture longer. However, too much oil buildup can also clog the scalp and attract dirt. So using large amounts daily may actually make the scalp greasy or uncomfortable. For many women, a small amount 2 to 3 times weekly works better than flooding the scalp every day. 4. Your skin may look more glowing. Many women describe their skin as looking glowy or healthier. This is because when the skin is properly moisturized, light reflects more evenly, rough patches soften, and fine dry lines become less visible. It's similar to how dry leaves look dull, but hydrated leaves look vibrant and smooth. This temporary plumping effect can make the skin appear fresher. Here's what social media often exaggerates. Online, castor oil is sometimes promoted as miracle cure for instant hair growth, wrinkle removal, hormone balancing, detoxification, or dramatic fat loss. Most of these claims are not strongly supported by scientific evidence. Castor oil can be helpful, but it is not magic. Healthy skin and hair still depends heavily on nutrition, sleep, hormones, stress levels, hydration, and genetics. Think of castor oil like fertilizer for a garden. Fertilizer helps, but if the soil, sunlight, and water are poor, growth will still struggle. Possible side effects of daily use may include clogged pores. Castor oil is very thick. For some women, especially those with acne-prone skin, daily use may clog pores and worsen breakouts. It may also cause skin irritation. Some people develop redness, itching, rash or irritation. Always patch test first. Excessive greasiness. Using too much can leave hair heavy, scalp oily, and skin sticky. And product buildup. It can also cause product buildup. Layering castor oil daily without proper cleansing can trap dirt and dead skin cells. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, Subscribe and turn on notifications for more science-backed health and wellness content. And tell me in the comments, have you ever used castor oil before? What changes did you notice?